Okay, here we are again on my 77 Chevy C10 doing the patch panels in the floor, fixing all the rust. And in this video here you can see I've got my inner rocker panel welded in place. If you remember from one of my previous videos, I had a gap that went all along between the original floor and this new inner rocker. It was about a ½ inch wide up here, and it was about 3/8 of an inch wide here towards the front. And made a little filler piece that goes in there and all back behind here, and went in real good. I got a little bit more grinding to do, but for the most part it's finished. I'm not going to worry about it too much because I'm thinking I'm going to put some kind of sound deadening material inside the cab here, so I may not worry about this at all anymore if I put the matting down on top of that. I also got it welded up here on the floor brace. You got about 7 or 8 little rosette welds in there, and I'm about to start doing the kick panel. Alright, here you can see I've got my kick panel just mocked up into place right now, and I wanted to show you why you have to put in the inner rocker panel first. As you can see, here's the floor brace that extends out and welds onto the inner rocker panel, and you can see the base of the kick panel overlaps your inner rocker panel. You can see right here, here's the edge of the kick panel, a little tab on the kick panel, and this, you just drill some holes and put some rosette welds, or often called plug welds or spot welds, into those holes. You weld those on. Same here on the inside. Hopefully that'll brighten up. But yeah, you just drill holes just like it originally was. Put some spot welds, some plug welds in there, and that piece is good to go. But like I said, you have to weld in your inner rocker panel first before you can do your kick panel. And back here in the back, even if you don't want to grind the whole seam, you will need to grind it back in this area, especially right here, because your outer rocker panel actually sits against this area. So you'll need to grind that smooth to get proper fitment of your outer rocker panel. This area in here, your outer rocker panel, it doesn't sit, but this flange continues. This is the flange up here that your door weather stripping seats over, and that flange would extend all the way down here. So before you get your outer rocker panel on, go ahead and grind and get this area finished out, because once the outer rocker panel is in place, it'll be real difficult to get back in here with a grinder and get it nice and smooth.